Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In our today's class, we are going to look at a question on the board that says, find the dimensional formula for electrostatic force constant. Okay, this is just the Decolons Law, and the Decolons Law stated that solution. It states that force of attraction is directly proportional to the different charges, charge 1 and charge 2. Just say equation 1. And the same force is inversely proportional to the distance, the square of the distance. So call it equation 2. Now if you combine this equation 1 and equation 2 together, you will now have that force is directly proportional to different charges, charge 1, charge 2, and inversely proportional to the square of each distance. So now from here, we can now remove this proportionality sign. We have that force is equal to bring constant k q1 q2 all over r square. Okay, now from this place we can make this in the subject of the formula. We have this cross multiply this with times this, which is r square is equal to k q1 k q2. We are looking for k. Now what do we have here? Divide both sides by the coefficient of k. When we have that f r square is equal to k multiplied by q1 multiplied by q2, and we are looking for k. This divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is this 2. So this will cancel, this will cancel. K is equal to the first constant is equal to force r square all over charge 1 charge 2, and that is what. So we are going to look at the dimension of force constant, which is equal to the dimension of force into dimension of r square all over dimension of q1 into dimension of q2 close it. Now remember that dimension of force is equal to mlt minus 2 close it, and the dimension of r is equal to l close it, and dimension of charge is equal to a 80 close it. So now let's substitute direct and get what we want. Okay, from this place where we now have that the dimension of force constant is equal to our f is this, which is now mlt minus 2 close it, into our this one is l, which is l raised to power 2 over charge, which is a t dimension of 80 charge 1, 80 dimension of 80 to charge 2 close it. Now what do we have here? We need to multiply out and get it our result. We need to multiply out. We have that the dimension of force constant is equal to l times this is l2. We have m l t minus 2 into l 2. All over a times a, we have it a square t square. Okay, finally what do we have? K. The dimension of force constant is equal to l times l. We now have m into l power 3, l times l power 2. will give us L power 3 into T minus 2 in all over what? A square T square. Okay, and dimension of K, first constant, is equal to what? M L raised to power 3 T raised to power minus 2 multiplied by T raised to power what? Minus 2. Minus will come up with minus 2. Multiplied by A raised to power what? Minus 2. Now what do we have? Dimension of first constant equals to M L raised to power 3. This to this will give us T raised to power minus 4. A raised to power minus 2. And that is what? The dimension of what? First constant. M raised to power 1, L raised to power 3, T raised to power minus 4, and A raised to power minus 2. That is the dimension. That is the dimension of what? First constant. Thanks, and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatics Online Class. And follow me on Facebook, Prismatics Online Class. Like, share, and comment. Bye.